So I guess the last vacuum I'll ever do to have a little downstairs vacuuming video, a Shark Navigator Swivel. And in case you're wondering, I think I'm getting tired of bagless vacuums. I just realized how bad bagless vacuums can be. Look how gross that is. I'm telling you, I don't bother. You can always say to me that I should clean the vacuum, but I mean, it's made in China, of course. Yeah, nothing really special about this one, other than being a shark. And I just realized how cheap these sharks are, according to the destruction videos I've actually have in fact seen so far. Yeah, this apparently I did not do good in digital media class, so I'm not really good at videos, I guess. Apparently I decided to vacuum downstairs, so here we go. Ooh. What the hell happened? Is there a clog? Can't be a clog, can there? Let's see. Well, guess what? The little latch thing broke or something. It's not staying in. Something definitely is going on. Wow. Yeah, look, see, it broke right here. I can't use this thing now. Apparently, that sucks. I cannot close this now because it's not. Wow. This is why I do not trust cleaning ladies sometimes, because they always have to break our shit. Wow. That is a shame. This little latch, I cannot close it. I mean, there's gotta be, I don't know if I need to close it or what. Oh my gosh. Is there something clogged here? Can't be something clogged, can there? I didn't want to take this thing out. There's literally nothing in. Oh yeah. The the cyclone is completely filled with shit. I gotta clean that out. So stay tuned. I'll clean it out. Well, apparently this thing is filled with shit. I cannot believe how bad this is. This is the reason why I do not like bagless vacuums. See that? Wow. That's bad. Now I gotta figure out how to put this latch on. And they don't really clean the cyclones either, do they? Okay, here it goes. Let's see how bad this is. Come on, get off there. Oh wait, that's right, I gotta pull this off. Oh, God. And I fell in the trash can. Why? What are they doing to these vacuum cleaners these days? It's like a Hoover wind tunnel would have been better than this. Believe it or not, I found a vacuum that I like so much. It's the Kenmore Institution. It's the new green vacuum with the cool bag feature on it. Put this back. What a shame. Now I gotta figure out how to put this latch on. Stupid. I always have problems putting this on. This might take a while. How stupid. Damn you, shark. Yeah. This is not going well. I'm not good at this at all. Is there a certain way to this thing? I have this down for a minute because I don't know how to touch this on. Oh crap. I'll vacuum that later. Something's not right on this thing. Something's not right. Unbelievable. Okay. No, oh, wait, I think I got it. There you go, I got it. I think. Come on, get on there. Get on there, come on. You can do it. Nope. It's not working. Can't really do this thing right, can I? Does it go like this, right? Wow, hello. There we go, I got it. Oh my god, that is terrible. Okay, sorry about that. All because the cyclone was completely gross, and oh my god, this is bad. I can't close this. It's not working. Oh no. What happened? What happened to this thing? I can't use it. I don't know if I can use it. I'll have to see what happens. I can't close this now. Can't even lock it because it's missing the thing for it. God dang it. What a shame. Okay, is this better now? Let's see. That's a tiny bit better. I had this vacuum for like 6 years. Almost 6 years. I had it since May of 2017. Unfortunately, well, it is what it is. I guess we're gonna use it because the latch on the top doesn't work, but it works now. I got the cyclone unjammed. Phone is a little dirty because of the mess on my hands. Seems to work fine, I guess. Fine China. Not to be sarcastic. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the rugs now, see what happens. Turn the brush roll on, see if it works. Hang on, I'm gonna park this for a minute. Okay. Brush roll seems to work fine. That's a bummer. Latch on the top broke. It works fine. the hard rug that we have here. Oh, I gotta I'm gonna unplug it now. Well, like I said, that plug does not work for some reason, that outlet. Cord went under the rug. Sorry about that. I'll do the bedroom too. Alright, so use the little plate kind of for the other house. And samurai sword somehow down here as well. Alright, I'm going to do that one bedroom down here. Okay, now onto this bedroom, of course. it, guys. Thanks for watching. Apparently, still works even though it's got the broken latch thing on the top. I didn't have any problems with that. I got the shop vac here. The Hoover Steam Vac Junior that I wish I can test, but I don't know if that works even still. I got the, I know it's around here somewhere. Apparently, I don't even know where that other thing is. I know it's gotta be here somewhere. It's probably behind all this crap. Is there? Huh. Maybe Dad threw it away. I don't know. I'll find it. I know. I'll probably know where it is. Part of wondering, does this thing still work? Oh no, it doesn't. Uh-oh. What happened? It's not working. That's weird. Well guys, thank you so much for getting me up to 400 subscribers. If you haven't done it yet, please sure to subscribe to my channel for videos of every single thing I can think of. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. And please be sure to follow me on my other social medias.